Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to unravel a really neat trick for Power BI, how to create moving, animated text or images that catch the eye and make your dashboards way more dynamic. Whether you want to guide user attention or just add a bit of visual flair, stick around and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it yourself. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first. Open up Power BI. If you haven't launched it yet, it might take a few seconds to load, so get comfy while it does its thing. Now, to create motion within your report, we'll actually set up a special table that simulates movement through a simple sequence. Think of it kind of like a flipbook animation, frame by frame. Let's get started by making that table. Head over to the Modeling tab in the top ribbon, here, where the magic begins. Click on New Table, and you'll see a formula bar pop up. Into this bar, we're going to enter a chunk of DAX code. Don't be intimidated by the code, it's just building a tiny data table for us, and I'll walk you through what each part means. Type or copy in this. Moving text equals DATATABLE stab integer text string a 1 2 right arrow 3 right arrow a 4. So what's actually happening here? We're creating a table called moving text with two columns, one called step, which is just a number for the sequence, and the other called text, which contains an arrow in different positions. Each row represents a different frame of movement, so as we step through, the arrow appears to move across the screen. This trick works the same if you want to use images as well, just use links or image icons in place of the arrow. Don't worry if this all seems a bit code-heavy, you really only need to do it once. With our table in place, let's add some interactivity. Over in the Visualizations pane, you'll see a little ellipsis icon, 3 dots stacked on top of each other. Click it and then hit Get More Visuals. This opens up Power BI's Custom Visuals Marketplace. In the search bar, type Play Axis. The Play Axis visual lets us animate across steps in our data exactly what we need. Go ahead and add it to your visuals list. Depending on your internet speed, it could take a few moments for it to show up, just be patient. Next up, let's bring the moving text table to life by adding slicers and visuals. Add a slicer to your report, and for the fields, drag both the step and text columns from the moving text table into it. Slicers just let us filter what appears on the report, super helpful for exploring those movement steps frame by frame. Now grab a card visual and add the text parameter from the moving text table. This card will actually display our moving arrow based on the current step. Here's the final piece. Select the play axis visual you added earlier. In its fields, add both the step and text parameters from the moving text table. Now, the play axis lets you cycle through those steps automatically, making it look like the arrow is gliding along the dashboard. It's a clever way of faking animation using Power BI's built-in tools and a little custom logic. Go ahead and hit play on the play axis. You'll see your arrow move smoothly across the card, just like a little animation. And that's it, your Power BI dashboard now has moving text. You can swap out that arrow for images or fancier text to suit your needs, but the basic principle stays exactly the same. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Power BI animation tricks. And if you want to keep sharpening your data skills, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy visualizing.